Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you inside one of the world's largest banana processing facilities, a $25 billion industry powerhouse. Every morning, skilled inspectors walk miles through these plantations, checking each plant's health. They're looking for signs of Panama disease.
22 milímetros en la calibración. Hay que esperar unos días más.
Atención todos, las tareas del día. La sección sur necesita limpieza, el resto siga María.
El área 5 necesita más agua hoy.
Sí, yo me encargo de eso ahora mismo.
Harvesting bananas is a two-person job requiring remarkable skill and strength.
To prevent bruising, these bunches travel via an ingenious cable system.
Cuidado con ese racimo, súbanlo despacio.
Recibido, enviando el siguiente.
At the packing station, the real transformation begins.
¿Cuántas más quedan por aquí?
Unas 20, creo.
Asegúrense de poner las bolsas en el contenedor azul.
Each bunch is broken down into smaller clusters called hands, and notice how every cut is made at exactly the same angle.
Push those ones to the left. Okay, got it.
Every banana hand passes through 3 separate water tanks. The first removes field debris. The second contains a food-grade mineral solution.
¿Están las bananas listas? La calidad parece buena.
Todavía no. Quedan 30 segundos.
Export. Domestic.
Reject. Scarred fruit here.
These quality inspectors can grade over 300 banana hands per hour with 98% accuracy.
Check the placement on Lot 3B. Ensure the blue labels are aligned correctly before crating.
30, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. That box is full. Okay, slide it down.
Cleavage. Each box is coded with harvest date, farm location, and destination port.
From harvest to cold storage in under 4 hours. That's the critical timeline.
Check the probe reading here. It's exactly 13.3.
All right, clear this row for transfer.
Manifests for the port are ready. Clear the bay, move the next one up.
Roger that, we're rolling out.
These drivers will cover 200 kilometers of winding mountain roads in just 5 hours. Every truck is GPS tracked and temperature monitored in real time.
Terminal 3, we need the next reefer cleared for Gate 4.
Roger that, moving now.
Each refrigerated container holds exactly 1,080 boxes of bananas. That's over 20 tons of fruit.
Steady, bringing it down now. Copy that, you are clear on the starboard side.
Bring her down slowly over the guides.
Confirming connection on Bay 3, hold 2.
The moment a container loses power, the clock starts ticking.
tugs are making up to your port side now. Confirmed, pilot. We are slowing to bear steerage way. Over.
After 12 days at sea, these bananas are about to enter the most critical phase of their journey, the American cold chain.
Bring it down easy on Bay 4.
Roger that. Coming down now. Make sure the genset is ready. We have some unusual spotting on this sample.
Noted. Does it warrant a deeper inspection of the pallet?
From port to ripening facility, these bananas have just 6 hours. The trucks are tracked by GPS.
Clear the bay, watch your back.
Bring that shipment to refrigeration now.
Bay 7 is open.
We're now inside one of America's largest banana ripening facilities. What happens here over the next 5 days is where science meets nature.
This facility processes 2 million boxes of bananas every week.
Each of these ripening rooms holds 72 pallets.
Ethylene is the magic ingredient. This naturally occurring plant hormone triggers ripening in bananas. Retail buyers specify exact ripeness stages for delivery.
Looks like a perfect batch.
Sí, muy bien. Let's get them out.
Pallet 34B, clear for release. Sugar levels are optimal.
Noted. The yields are matching the forecast.
This is the moment of truth. The transformation that began in an Ecuadorian jungle is now complete.
Every major grocery chain has different requirements. Some want bananas in 40-pound boxes, others in smaller retail-ready cases.
These retail-ready packages will be on store shelves within 24 hours.
We need that lane cleared immediately for inbound shipment 74B.
48 cases. Next one coming in, keep it tight to the wall.
.5°C. Confirmed.
Barkless. Each driver signs for their cargo, accepting legal responsibility for maintaining temperature throughout delivery.
Control, this is Gate 1. Truck Alpha clear for highway access. Next unit approaching.
All right, bring it back slow. Keep coming, just a little more. And stop. Perfect.
Pallet 25-5, lane 3.
Confirmed, 25. Next one coming out.
Hold on 3 for inspection.
Every store gets exactly what their sales data predicts they'll need.
Route 982, confirm ETA at store 1.
Copy that. Dispatch. We are running on schedule.
This driver will visit 12 stores today, delivering bananas that were hanging in an Ecuadorian jungle just 3 weeks ago.
Hey, good morning.
Morning. Looks like the truck is already here.
And here we are, the end of an incredible journey. 3 weeks ago, these bananas were growing in a tropical jungle 3,000 miles from here.
Hello, find everything okay?
From jungle to kitchen, a journey of 3,000 miles, 3 weeks, and countless human hands.
Here are the bananas.
Oh, good. They look perfect for smoothies tomorrow.
Yeah, can I have one now? Can I have one now?
Every morning, 100 million Americans start their day with a banana. They don't think about the jungle, the ships, the ripening rooms, or the thousands of workers.
Behind the scenes, food scientists continuously analyze banana quality. Brix levels measure sugar content.
Lizzie, look at the cellular structure here. The membranes.
The membranes show clear signs of degradation due to the temperature drops.
Not every banana makes it to store shelves. Approximately 15% are rejected for cosmetic defects. These reject bananas will become the frozen fruit in your morning smoothie. Flash frozen at -30 degrees, they'll maintain quality for up to 2 years. This single packaging line processes 50,000 pounds of frozen bananas per day, and that's enough for 2 million smoothies.
Seal integrity failed on Unit 4. Placing in quarantine. Approved units logged. This frozen warehouse holds 50 million pounds of product at -20 degrees Celsius, cold enough to preserve quality for 2 years.
Roger that. Control. Pallet secured. Bringing it down now.
We need to get these pallets ready for the morning shipment.
All right, I'll have them loaded within the hour.
These premium packs command a 40% price premium over bulk bananas.
Ensure the certification logos are clearly visible on every box before stacking.
And double-check the traceability codes for the premium shipment.
Organic certification requires complete traceability from farm to store.
What strikes me most is how much human judgment is still required. Yes, there are robots and sensors. At peak capacity, this floor packs 200,000 boxes of bananas per day. That's 4 million pounds of fruit.
These conveyors handle 15,000 boxes per hour, automatically grouping them by customer before palletizing.
Pallet confirmed. Temperature set. Delivery on time.
Dock 5, confirm the temperature setting on the Anderson shipment. It has to be below freezing before it leaves the bay.
This staging area holds 8 hours of production. Over 1,600 pallets worth $2 million in bananas.
The temperature setting for the bananas is still at 38, right?
Affirmative. Make sure the seal is logged before you head out.
Loading a trailer properly is an art. Pallets must be positioned to allow cold air circulation around every box.
Confirming loads 1 through 4 cleared for highway access. Next sequence rolling out now.
Right now, across America, 15,000 refrigerated trucks are delivering bananas to grocery stores.
Base, this is Unit 4. Pallet 72, cleared for shipment to Dallas.
This warehouse management system tracks 25,000 pallet positions in real time, knowing exactly where every case of bananas is stored and how long it's been there.
Cross-docking eliminates storage time entirely.
From testing. Every international shipment requires 15 to 20 separate documents. Phytosanitary certificates.
Okay, the temperature is holding steady. Did you record the ID number?
Yes, TEMU 4578912. It's logged.
This security seal will not be broken until the container reaches its destination country.
Move the red 40-foot to the intermediate stack. Unit 6, clear the lane, Charlie. Seal verified. Container 22 cleared for port. Over.
This port handles 3 million containers annually, the equivalent of 30 million tons of cargo. Within 60 seconds of landing on deck, every refrigerated container must be connected to ship power.
Valencia VTS, this is the CMA CGM Liberty. We are proceeding out the channel.
Roger that. Safe passage.
For the next 14 days, this ship will cross 5,000 miles of ocean.
Bridge, this is the pilot. We are making the final approach to the berth. Request tug assistance on the port side.
Atención, bajando contenedor. Everything clear below?
A little more to the left. Steady.
We need to inspect the seals immediately.
Ingenious. From Ecuador to America to international markets, the banana supply chain circles the globe.
お客様さ、バナナは本日大変お買い得となっておりますね。新鮮なものをお選びくださいね。
Every day, 100 million bananas are consumed in over 150 countries, from Tokyo to Toronto, from London to Lagos.
Buenos días a todos. Que tengamos una buena cosecha hoy.
Así será, jefe. A trabajar.
This is why it all matters. A child halfway around the world from where this fruit was grown, enjoying fresh, affordable, nutritious food.